Namaskaram and Swagatham to Fluent in Malayalam. Today we are going to learn the alphabet A, and there are three things that are going to happen in this video. We are going to learn how to write A, then we are going to learn words with the letter A, and then we will learn few sentences comprising those words, because I always get this common verb. People ask me, ma'am, we need more sentences to understand this more. So I have included sentences too. So let's get started. So let's learn to write A first. So I'll start from bottom, and as you know, those are the all the letters are curved letters. So we start from bottom, go upwards, and make a B-like shape, and there ends the first part, and then we again make a bow or an arch and then close it. It's not that easy like I'm saying, I know, especially when we are familiar with scripts like English. It's very different, totally different. So let us try one more time slowly. You start from the bottom and move upwards. Make a B, go sideways through it, and then there ends the first part and make a arch and close it. That is A. So let's learn the words with the letter A. First word is Amma. 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 Amma is mother. I know you all already know this word because we have used this in other videos. Second word is Achan. Achan is father. Achan. Achan. Next is Ari. Ari. Ari is rice. Ari is rice. Ari. Ari. Next is Arivu. Arivu. Arivu is knowledge. Arivu is knowledge. Next is Ambalam. 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 Ambalam is temple. So that means the Hindu worship place. So that is Ambalam. Ambalam. Next is Aduthu. Aduthu. Aduthu means near. Aduthu, near. Avar. Avar. Avar means day. Avar means day. Avar. Avide. Avide. Avide means there. Avide means there. Avide. Anujan. Anujan, or the other word is Aniyan. Both means younger brother. Anujan or Aniyan means younger brother. Next is Angadi. 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 Angadi is market. Angadi. Aduppu. Aduppu. Aduppu is stove. So stove means it's not the type of stove that we see in the modern kitchens. So it is the thing that they make with stones, like the we can call it primitive, but they are still there in the kitchens, definitely in Kerala. So that is what is called aduppu, where they use minimum three stones to put up a natural stove. So that is called aduppu. It's not the modern ones. Aduppu. Aduppu. Then next one is Irige. Irige. Irige is a synonym for aduthu, so it is the same thing, near. Irige. Irige. So those were the words using the letter A. So now we are going to see some sentences using these words so you will better understand them. So let's look on to that. First sentence is Amma Ari Vangan poyi. Amma Ari Vangan poyi, which means mom went to buy rice. Amma Ari Vangan poyi. Achanu arivu undu. Achanu arivu undu. It means, it can mean either of this. It could mean dad has knowledge, or it means dad knows. Dad has knowledge or dad knows. അച്ഛന് അറിവ് ഉണ്ട്. അച്ഛന് അറിവ് ഉണ്ട്. Next sentence is അവർ അവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. അവർ അവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. അവർ അവിടെ ഉണ്ട് means they are there. അവർ അവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. They are there. അനുജൻ അങ്ങാടിയിൽ പോയി. അനുജൻ അങ്ങാടിയിൽ പോയി. Or you can say അനിയൻ അങ്ങാടിയിൽ പോയി, which means your younger brother went to market. അനുജൻ അങ്ങാടിയിൽ പോയി. വീട് അമ്പലത്തിന് അടുത്താണ്. വീട് അമ്പലത്തിന് അടുത്താണ്. വീട് അമ്പലത്തിന് അടുത്താണ്, which means house is near the temple. House is near the temple. അടുപ്പിന് അരികെ ഇരിക്കല്ലേ. So this is like a warning sentence. അടുപ്പിന് അരികെ ഇരിക്കല്ലേ. അടുപ്പിന് അരികെ ഇരിക്കല്ലേ, which means don't sit near the stove. അടുപ്പിന് അരികെ ഇരിക്കല്ലേ. So I have used all those words that we just learned in these sentences so you can better understand it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please do like it, share it, and if you haven't seen the channel before, please do subscribe it. And as always, please do comment and let me know what you want to learn in Malayalam in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskaram.